Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon. We are cutting the baby's hair today. He is 18 months old, I think, about that. And this is his first haircut that he's had. It's getting pretty long and curly, so we're going to trim the back up to make it shorter so it's not so long. So here he is. You ready for your haircut? Huh? Yeah. So it's getting pretty long on the back. I'm going to brush it out and just trim it up a little bit so it's not as long and he won't look like a girl anymore. Although it's kind of ratty, so I don't know how well it's going to let me brush it. I'm sorry. I'm going to go get Alright, let's spray some conditioner on there so it's not so ratty. Yeah. I'm sorry. Oh, because his hair is getting so long. And so he'll have a boy haircut.
Like a haircut that's like Kryspin and Kolter and Kendon?
Yeah. Well, not that short. I'm just going to cut it with the scissors. It's dirty because we've been playing outside. Huh. I'm sorry. Yes, Crispy?
How much? The whole thing of the tomato sauce?
Yeah, we'll use the whole thing. Did you get the rest of the other jar out of the fridge?
What?
The other jar out of the refrigerator? Okay. Alright. There we go. Okay, eat your sucker. Eat your sucker, baby mister. There you go. Fit good?
Dad, stay down.
Why's her up, Mom?
Yeah, I know it.
This is good.
That's good. Maybe they'll
Because
buy
I
another
won't fly.
nose on.
I will
Kill them all.
I really.
There's the first hairs. Cut them off.
You can hardly see it in here.
Cut them off, baby mister. There's the handsome boy with his new haircut. It's a little crazy. He's dancing. Singing baby Mr. Doo 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 baby Mr. Doo 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 Doo. Looks like a handsome doodle with that new haircut.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, careful. This is hard. This is a hard coffee cup. You bunk yourself in the head. Just set it by the mailbox till you come back. What are you doing?
Can you help me?
What?
Can you help me wipe off my apple?
Yeah, take it over there and wash it off with the water. You gotta scoot down a little bit.
Can you help me wash it off?
Don't lay down right there. Scoot down a little bit. No, down here. Come down right here. Come right here and then you'll be able to lay back better. Yep, scoot down. Keep going. You're too high up. If you lay down, your head's going to go in the dirt. Yeah. No, come back here. There, Kyla May's coming. We are enjoying the sunshine. It's about, probably 70 degrees out here. The wind is blowing actually pretty hard, but I'm on the far side of the house where the wind's not blowing. Whoa, windy, windy, huh? Is it windy? Good job, Kyla May. So we're enjoying the sunshine, hanging outside. We finished up our independent schoolwork. We've just got some reading for history to do now. And my husband will be home in about an hour, but that's about all we've done today. I did do some work over at the goat pen. I cut, when we moved into this house, there was a dog house here, a really sturdy dog house made out of wood. It was all insulated, had a heated floor in it. They had like a heat pad in there, and the cord came out the back. Well, the cord was cut off. So I drug it over to the goat pen, and I cut the whole front of it out so it has a much larger opening so that the goats can go in there for some protection from wind and rain and stuff, and they like to climb on it and things. So that's what we did this morning. I woke up really motivated, got some snacks cooked for probably the next 2 or 3 days, and came out and did some work outside, and then after we got school done, I was so tired we just sat inside and watched a movie. So now we're back outside again. What, Kyla May? So I still have yet to start my vegetables for the vegetable garden. I'm not very motivated. I've just been putting it off because I haven't felt like doing it, and it's supposed to snow this weekend and get cold. But I did notice this morning that one of the peas we planted has finally popped up. So there it is. Finally had a little pea pop up. I don't know if I need to, it's gonna frost this weekend for sure. So I think I probably need to put it inside or cover it. I don't know. I know peas are frost hardy, but it's supposed to get like 16 degrees. Is there another one? Okay, don't move it too much. Yeah, one more coming out. So we got a couple peas finally popping up. Be gentle, sweetie. Just let them come out by themselves. They'll come out by themselves. Might get a little bit of water. Fill up that little bowl right there with some water and put some water in. So the girls are going to water our peas for us. Right down in the middle, right up close, and go nice and slow. There you go. Put a little more for that one. There you go. Go ahead and do that whole cup in there. Good job.
That's my cup.
Is it?
Yep. That whole thing is mine.
Good job.
I'll eat all of those. Mom,
What?
can we put those things inside?
We may take the ones that pop up and put them inside. We'll see.
This one
Yeah, or we might just leave them out here. They're supposed to do okay in the cold, so we might leave them out here. Oh, they're so dirty. You have to hide in the back. They gotta clean themselves. what happens is their feathers get long, and their feathers make up most of their wings.
Light.
Yeah. Scared him. This guy's about to fall off. He's got his foot right on the edge. Don't scare him. Kendon.
It's okay. He can get on.
There we go. What are you doing? Okay, are you ready? I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3. Good thing is, Minnie, don't pull on that.
I cannot believe I'm doing this.
It's hair and it comes back.
Can I have the adult piece? Kaylee's tail.
No, Minnie, let go.
I'd like to hold that one.
Hold this hair out of the way for me, please. You, Minnie.
Kaylee's tail.
Kendon wants to keep my hair. Kendon, don't flip it around like that. I think we're going to donate it. How long is it?
12 inches.
Is that long enough
Little
to
over
donate?
12 inches, might be about 13 inches.
Mom, can
The other one.
I hold it? I would like to.
Oh, thanks, Kolter. I don't feel so good.
Okay.
I have to fix it. I actually like it. I like how it feels. Feels really nice.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, we are giving
Picture and thing.
Kaylee a haircut today. Don't pull on it, buddy. We just cut off. Hold your hairs. Hold your hairs.
Man, it's so pretty. It's not greasy or anything right now.
We just cut off about a little over 12 inches, I think, of her hair. I haven't done the rest of it yet. I'm still got to finish evening everything up and
Don't say.
making it how she wants it. But